Along the Japanese coastline, this structure boasts a private museum, guest accommodations, and a resort. Conceived as an expansive, free-flowing organic space, its rooms offer the flexibility to be either enclosed or interconnected around a central courtyard. The circular design not only embraces the stunning surrounding vistas but also withstands and gracefully maneuvers through the fierce typhoon winds. It appears as though the edifice naturally sprouts from the hillside, facilitating a constant circulation of air to maintain perpetual ventilation within the residence. Every element is meticulously planned to achieve optimal thermal efficiency, featuring a dual facade that shields against both winds and sunlight. Additionally, the roof is adorned with 30 centimeters of earth, complete with an integrated watering system. Harmonizing with the natural hues of the rocks and seamlessly blending into the verdant landscape, the building embodies an organic unity. Internally, the interconnected rooms create a grand gallery-like ambience, evoking the sensation of a meandering domicile. The windows, resembling purposeful apertures, artfully frame key elements of the scenery while ensuring privacy throughout the space.